Hi, I'm Wesley Mahiran,
And I'm McCrae Weissel.
and we're seniors at Weber State University in Ogden, Utah. For our senior project, we decided to make a reflow oven we call the SPROOS, which stands for Senior Project Reflow Oven Open Source. It's controlled by this controller module that we made here. This controller module that we designed controls the reflow oven. We decided to use a controller module on the reflow oven because it gives repeatable results over and over again. You could probably just put your circuit board with your components down here and then turn it on, but it doesn't guarantee repeatable results. Mac?
Through-hole components are those that require holes to be drilled into their PCB boards in order to be started. You'll be familiar with these components because it's what we use in breadboards. SMD components are smaller and quite a bit cheaper. We'll show you. So here's a portion of Wesley's shop. As you can see here on the shelves, there's hundreds of through-hole components. However, in these few cases, there are thousands of SMD components. They are smaller and cheaper.
As Mac just showed you, SMD components are smaller and cheaper, which means you can make a lot smaller PCBs that are more cost effective. We've made a series of 10 videos to help you put together the SPROOS. In the videos, we'll show you several techniques for making circuit boards. We'll also show you how to etch it, how to drill it, how to solder it, how to prepare the oven for the SPROOS board, how to prepare the enclosure, and how to put it all together.
In this video, we introduce the SPROOS system as well as SMD through-hole components and why you need a reflow oven. In the next two videos, we'll discuss the hardest portion of the project, which is imprinting the circuit board. Essentially getting this onto this, so it looks like this. The first method will be the carbon paper method, and then the second will be vinyl sheet, and then in the next two we'll discuss a couple different products. The first one being press and peel, and the last one being photosensitive copper-clad circuit boards that you developed using a UV light source. The fourth video we'll discuss etching methods for these circuit boards, and then in the fifth one we'll validate these circuit boards, checking for shorts as well as continuous lines.
In video number 6, we're going to talk about soldering the printed circuit board so that you can get all the components on it. There are a couple components that are polarized that we use. If you put them in backwards, you're going to have problems. In video 7, we're going to talk about which oven you want to use for your SPROOS. We're also going to go into tearing it down and getting it ready to use. In video number 8, we're going to have the enclosure. We're going to show you how to repair it, how to put the SPROOS board into it. Video 9 is all about the assembly. We're going to put it together so you have a working reflow oven. In video number 10, we're actually going to make a breadboard power supply that you use the SPROOS oven to solder the components on. And we do use SMD components as well as through-hole components on this. It's a little power supply that you can put on your breadboard that you can use to power your projects.
And there you have it, the introduction to the SPROOS system.
Yep, so let's get started.